risky assets like crypto or stocks actually thrives on liquidity. But the control to liquidity actually lies, most cases globally, on the United States of America Federal Reserve Committee, which holds the tap. If it tightens the tap, the liquidity dries up, and when it loosens, the liquidity also flows in the market. This September, it's quite a decisive month for the global financial market because Fed will actually be having the FOMC committee meetings in this September, 16th and 17th to be precise. Believe it or not, the United States of America actually has an oversized influence over the global financial market, and in most cases, decisions that actually shape the global financial market is taken during the FOMC committee meetings. Here is why it do matters. It is during the FOMC committee meetings that the interest rate adjustments are actually decided on. If the interest rate remains stable, the market remains stable. However, if the interest rate is adjusted downward, what it means is that the cost of borrowing will reduce, and quite a good number of investors will go for more borrowings. Such borrowed funds are actually also invested into other sectors of the economy that drives the economy better. And in most cases, stocks and the cryptocurrency takes advantage of these cuts in rates. On the other hand, too, if the adjustment in the interest rate is the upward, this dries up the liquidity in the system because quite a good number of persons wouldn't be willing to take the risk of borrowing at a higher borrowing cost. And as this actually plays out, it is not just the United States of America's economy that gets affected. The entire global market, even Nigeria, is affected in terms of the exchange rate, volatility of the stock market, and also the volatility of the crypto space, which Nigerians are quite involved in. So, as we head into the FOMC committee meetings of September to take their decisions, I personally is of the market waiting for Fed decision for me to actually know the right decision to take in terms of my investment and possibly where the market dynamics is headed towards. Until then, don't forget that I will also be here to intimate and update you on the decision and possibly where the market will be headed towards, whether downward or possibly upward. But whatever side it takes, always be ready and have some financial liquidity to also take advantage of the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, so I'll be dropping content on market and finance related issues on a regular basis. I still remain Samuel. For now, bye for now.